All right, so I'm about to do a brittle test. I don't want to start on one of these are already damaged, so I'm gonna try it and just do one from this one, only because this is over, and I want to put a tarp here just to make sure this is secure from any upcoming storms and rain showers, just to have that sealed off because you don't want any leaks. All right, so this right here, let me try to, it's already broken and cracked, but I want to get the one above it. So that's gonna need fixing. All right, so in order to take this shingle out, the one that was flipped over, you have to take the nails out that are securing on this one, but also the nails that secure on that, because over here, it's just how they are. So you'll have the first one you're trying to get rid of, but then you have the other ones where they're on top. So you need to get rid of these nails in order to take it out. So here we go. Now, as far as the brittle test goes, it does come off really easily, but that's because it's not secured all the way because of the old age. And then if you lift it up, it'll easily crack. So I can't go up all the way, but I'll be able to take this out still. So that's the first part. This is me lifting it up at the moment, trying to look at any cracks. So far, none, but I still need to get that shingle out. Now, I was trying to get the nail out under it, but pressing onto it, these shingles are already starting to crack from those two layers, kind of like this. So this part can come out, but for some reason, like just applying any pressure will separate the shingle. So it is very brittle, and man. Okay, so the brittle test. I took off this shingle, and when I lift it up, the flaps that are the first layer, like this one right here, whenever you apply just a slight bit of pressure, it starts to tear off like right there. And that's not like you're forcing it, it's literally just because the membrane from it is just very weak, so it just like slides off. So what happens is when you're trying to repair it, it's gonna happen, you're gonna have to repair this one, and then it's just gonna be a ladder effect because of just how old the roof is. And like even here, like I'll go careful with it, not trying to damage that shingle, but okay, so I cleared that out. And then see, like already, like this right here, it's already starting to break right here, and it's already starting to break right here, and that's just from loosening the top shingle. It's just very, see, you can't go too far up. It's just the age of the roof. All right, so also with the brittle test, because of the damage of the winds from Hurricane Milton, these will crack, and you have to replace these ridge caps here. And you can't replace these if you don't take these out, because the way it's designed and installed, and it goes all the way up, damage all the way here, some more here. Well, another thing is improper installation right here. There's not supposed to be shown the flashing like this. And what ended up happening was these are moisture trapped right here, which creates these wavy patterns here. So possibly wood replacement there, more shingles being torn off. And again, it's the age of the roof. Just it's very brittle. One indication is just seeing the reflection of the fiberglass shingles coming out, like right here and right here. And there's other sections of the roof as well. One other thing would be just because of the palm trees that were extended out, damaged the shingles here. Trying to see it. Okay, so stuff like this. Now it's kind of like chewed up. It looks like it's chewed up, but that's just because of the the palm trees that were extended out over here started like shifting and swaying. And look at this. Stuff like this. And more caps and stuff.